Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning. Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation at a bakery. Do you enjoy fresh bread and delicious cakes?
Or do you want to order bakery items in English?
Today, we'll learn simple English for visiting a bakery.
Let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to our bakery. How can I help you?
I'd like to buy some bread, please.
Of course. We have white bread, whole wheat bread, and garlic bread.
I'll take one whole wheat bread.
Great choice. Would you like anything else?
Yes. Do you have chocolate croissants?
Yes, they're fresh from the oven.
Wonderful. I'll take two, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes. A cup of coffee, please.
Small or large?
A medium coffee, please.
Your total is $12.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Everything smells so good.
Thank you. We bake fresh bread every morning.
I'll definitely come back again.
We look forward to seeing you again.
Have you ever had a funny experience at a bakery?
Yes, I wanted to buy one donut.
What happened?
Everything looked so delicious that I went home with a whole box.
I would probably do the same. What's your favorite bakery item?
Tell us in the comments below.